Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm looking for a sword, but not any sword. Today I'm looking for a big two-handed sword, and I did just unlock the ability at level 29 to build a big two-handed sword, but I'm thinking something a little bit more unusual. I want to become a secret, hidden samurai. So to do that, we're going to go up here to the Anubis Plains area up here. And there's these islands over here, and I think there's one over here too, where you can find a very special type of fish that turns into a sword. Yes, today we're looking for Skutlass, which is a brand new fish just added at 1.0, which allows us to become a fancy samurai. So we're going to teleport over here. This is in the middle. You just go along here, and you can reach this area pretty easily. And I'm going to teleport over here next to the big temple of Anubis. And once we're over here, we're looking at the waters around here for a big old fishtail sticking up out of the water. And I'm not necessarily seeing one right off the bat, but I am seeing some other critters that you can fish up. So I'm feeling pretty good about our chances of finding one. So as I'm walking around here, normally you see their tails fly up in the air, but in this particular instance, oh, they shoot like deadly lasers. Usually you see their tail point straight up in the air like that, like you just saw there. But in this case, this one snuck up on us, and they are aggressive. They do a fair bit of damage too. Now, these guys are aggressive, so if they spot you before you spot them, things can get a little touchy, especially because I'm a little underleveled for being over here fighting some of these guys. But that's okay. I got plenty of pal spheres to catch him, so hopefully one of these is successful. And there we go. Now we have Skutlass. So he'll be going into our PAL box, and we can go back to base to find him. So once you get back to base, you can slap Skutlass into your party, especially if you get one with some pretty decent stats, and you can literally get them out, and when they're out, for a limited time, you can hit F in order to use them as a weapon. So they'll swim over to you, and then they become a literal sword. Although over time, they start to drain their health when you do this, if you let it go for too long. So you can use it very briefly, and then you have to return them so that they don't get knocked unconscious. But they literally fillet themselves, which is why it's called fish fillet. Although it's a little broken here at base. They literally fillet themselves to turn themselves into a fancy sword. And this does a lot of damage. It's like a 2,000 hit attack, although it doesn't last very long, so that's part of why. That's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you become a hidden samurai. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.